guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Shayna. Make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you will be notified anytime that I do post a new video. So for today's video, I created this cat eye glam for you guys. I was inspired by a photo that I came across on Instagram. It looked very similar to this, but obviously I have a different face, so it's always gonna look different on me. But if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I figured let me come back on here and give you guys a makeup tutorial since it's been a minute. I know usually shorter videos hit more than longer videos, but since I really want to do a video on this look, and I'm doing like a certain type of transition video for my short videos, I figured let me do the actual tutorial on here. So this is just gonna be like a cat eye smoky type of thing. I needed some inspo, so I was looking up some inspo pics on Instagram and I found something and I want to recreate it. So first and foremost, we're gonna go in with brows. This is gonna be the Cosmecology brow pencil in the shade Earthstone. I'm going to be recording on here just for like little bits and pieces. Oh no. I need like a good eyeshadow base because I've just been using concealer. I don't know. I need to find something. Right now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Nude for my eyeshadow base. And for eyes, we're going in with the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And actually, before I even do that, hold on. I want to use the Cosmecology pressed powder in the shade Astra, and I want to use this as a transition shade. On second thought, I'm going in with two different palettes. I'm actually going to use the Cosmecology, one of the palettes for this look as well. Now I'm going to take the shade, okay, so this is the Natural Goddess palette. I'm going to take the shade, let's do Ethereal. And then, now I'm going to take, I'm actually going to go in with the Riviera palette. This is kind of going to be like a cut crease, but not like a super sharp cut crease. I'm going to take it in the white shade Sails. And I'm going to pack this on like this. Going upward. Now we're going to use white at first, like that, but then we're going to kind of like add some of like a cream color on top to kind of make it a little less white and more of an off-white. See, I'm doing this really fast because it doesn't have to be super neat. Blend that out a little bit. So this is kind of how you want it to look. And then I'm going to go in with the Natural Goddess palette. And we're going to take this shade right here. It's called Charmed. And I use this shade a lot. Like a lot. And we're going to pack that on top. So it should look like that. And then I'm going to take the shade, it's going to be like a brown shade on this like angled brush. We're taking the shade, you could go in with the Riviera palette if you have. You could take the brown shade Palm here, doesn't really matter. I'm using Spirited by Cosmetology. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to kind of like angle this up, but you want to pack it on like this. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it in a crease like that. So it should look something like that. And then you're gonna blend it out. But you want to continue to apply, blend until you get it to how you want it. So you kind of want it to look like that. And then you don't want to bring it over. You want to do it like from the middle and go up, because we're going to do wing eyeliner. And then just do it on the other side. Whew, hot. Drink some water. This robe that I'm wearing makes me like really hot. But I wanted to wear a different robe because I always wear my Juicy Couture robe. So this is basically how it's going to look. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your favorite eyeliner. I'm going to use CoverGirl Intensify Me liner. I forgot I had this. And I'm just going to do my wing. You can make this as thick as you want it. This is my first time working with a pen. Oh, I gotta charge my camera. Let me charge my camera. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna do the wing on this side and this side, and I'll be right back. I gotta charge my camera. Okay, so I just did my lashes. These are like custom. Like I kind of styled them like these from Amazon. What's next? So for primer, I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. I love this primer, like bomb.com. Okay, for foundation, I'm using the Cosmetology in the shade. Do I want to use Sunstar? Not really. I think I'm gonna use Halo. Hold on. Sunstar is my tan shade. I'm tan, but like I don't really want to use that shade right now. So we're gonna go in with Halo. About like that much. I don't know how girls put their makeup on so like aesthetic. Like they make it look all pretty. Like I be making faces and all of that when I do my makeup. Then for concealer, we're using the shade Sunstar by Cosmetology. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go on with this first. I had seen girls do like cream bronzer first and then concealer and then blush, and I kind of should have did that, but I'm like in a rush right now. Now for blush, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Blush Lily. Yeah, I think next time I'm gonna just stick to the way I do my makeup. Because I don't like how the blush is like all up in the concealer like this. I don't know. Maybe it'll come together when I finish everything. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in the shade Caramel. I hate when my hair like sticks to my forehead like this. Like, I hate it. Look at that. My camera's dying again. Oh my gosh, I gotta charge it. They say a key to a... So for setting powder, I use the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake setting powder like everywhere on my face, under my eyes. And then I added some eyeliner on my bottom lash line, mascara. I used the Smashbox mascara. And then for my... I had told you guys I was using the cream bronzer in my last clip. It cut off, but I was saying that supposedly, like when you take the bronzer up here, it kind of like pinches the nose. It makes it look more snatched. So I did that. And then I top it off with the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. I use this brown shade. And I just bronze up the face. And then now I'm going to use the highlight to highlight the bridge of my nose, my highest points of my cheeks. I'm going to do the tear duct, but maybe, actually no, I'm just going to keep it matte. I don't want no shimmer. I'm just going to do it on the nose, Cupid's bow, highest points of my cheeks, and then the center of my forehead. Why is it acting like that? Like, yo, my TikTok is tweaking and it's making me upset. It's making me upset because the sound isn't playing on the video that I am working on. And it's working on other videos, but not the one that I'm working on. And this literally never happened. Like, it never happened. This is the first time it's ever happened. So it's low-key stressing me out because the type of video that I did it because I wasn't going to do an actual tutorial on my Instagram and TikTok and just do it for YouTube. But if this was going to happen, I would have just did a freaking tutorial on short video. No offense, YouTube. But yeah. And then blush, I'm using Dior in the Rosy Glow Pink. And it was tweaking before, but then it like fixed itself, and then now it's doing the same thing. I'm not gonna lie, this blush is a good blush, but you need to like really build it up to get the kind of color payoff that you want. And I know some people like that because it allows them to kind of like manipulate the product, but I like a really like opaque product and I can use a little bit. That's just me though. All right, is this gonna work or not? See, it works when you click, but I want to see if the previous clip worked or whatever. Like when you're recording yourself doing it, the audio is not playing. Like, why is it not? Bro. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with, hold on. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Downtown Beauty 22 lip pencil. Like that. I need to sharpen it again. Then I'm going to take the Too Faced Sweet Maple, excuse me, it's like a lipstick, like a sheer lipstick, but I'm only going to do this on the outer. Like that. And then I'm going to take, do I want like an opaque gloss? Actually, I need a lipstick. I'm gonna use MAC Honey Love. That looks good. I think that Too Faced lipstick, it's satin, so it made the Honey Love satin. I like that a lot. Okay. And then to top it off, I'm going to use Summer Fridays lip balm. What is the name of this? Pink Sugar. Perfect. Yeah, this is really cute. This is like a nice glam. And then now I'm gonna set my face with my setting spray. We have the Cosmetology Transformation Mist. My face is beat. This is a nice look. I don't really spray much over here. Yeah, this look eat. Now what I need to do is I need to change out of this, put on the top, and I'll be right back. So this is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell button so you'll be notified anytime that I do post a new video. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at therealshaynaa. TikTok is with 2 A's at the end. Also, I'm on Snapchat at therealshaynaa. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I want to create a lot of like fall looks this season. I know it's not fall yet, but it's approaching. So be on the lookout, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.